everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hopefully by the end of this video I look a lot better than I do right now, and these curls look a lot better than they do right now, and it is time to just do a whole glow up on myself. So we're gonna do a little self-care glow up at home today, and thanks to Nexus for sponsoring today's video because they are gonna help these curls get back on track. For real, they need that. But anyway, let me go ahead and quit talking. I'll do a little bit more talking while we're getting this glow up on. So let's get started. So we're starting off this self-care routine in the shower because this hair needs it so bad. Just look at it. I can't believe Anyway, I'm just gonna go ahead and start off by wetting my hair, and I'm gonna start off with my favorite Nexus product. This right here is the Nexus Curl Define Pre-Wash Treatment. It has like an extra thick texture that just melts right into your hair, and it instantly softens my dull and dry hair as I work it in. I previously used the whole Curl Define line in a past video, and I have still been consistently using this pre-wash treatment. I love it. It's the first thing I use when I get in the shower, and I noticed my hair detangles so much easier and it's way softer. By the end of my wash, like, my detangle time is non-existent. It actually has silk protein, castor oil, and shea butter, and it is absolutely like the holy grail of this range, and it has 8 benefits in one. It detangles, reduces breakage, moisturizes, softens, and it elongates your coils, and it does so much for my hair. So I go ahead and leave this in my hair for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then I'm going to come back and I'm just going to rinse it out, and then I go ahead and do the rest of my wash day routine. Next up for the wash routine, I'm going to use my Curl Define shampoo. This actually has silk protein and marula oil, and I just love the way it cleans my hair. You know, some shampoos strip my hair and this one literally does not. And I feel like using the pre-wash treatment before just helps so much with keeping the moisture into your hair. Oh, I love it. But anyway, I'm just going to wash all my hair. Make sure the scalp is clean. I like to use the pads of my fingertips. Don't use your nails, and then take it down to the ends of my strands. And then I'm going to go ahead and rinse that out. Now I'm going to use the Nexus Curl Define conditioner, and we're going to condition my hair, and then we're just going to slab that in all over. I like to make sure I get it throughout all of my hair. I kind of go heavy on the conditioner. I don't know what curly person doesn't, but you know. And then I'm going to go ahead and start finger detangling my hair, and then if I have a brush in the shower, which today I do, I'm going to go ahead and brush my hair out and detangle it. And as you can see, my hair is not even tangled. By the end of my wash routine, my detangling time is non-existent. I literally brush my hair in like a minute. Now my curls are super hydrated and defined, like they are back, baby. These things don't look the same as they did in the beginning. She's brand new. She's a whole new person right now. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put my hair in a bun and let that sit in my hair while I finish my shower. So I'm actually going to use a sugar coffee body scrub. I love using a body scrub before I do any kind of shaving or anything to my legs. Even if I don't shave my legs, this gets all the dead skin off, and my legs are just so soft and so smooth. I absolutely love using a body scrub. And then I'm going to go ahead and rinse that off, and then I'm going to get a shaving cream. Shaving creams that just smell so good are my favorite. Like, I use this because it smells so good. I want to put it all over my body. But anyway, I go ahead and do the body scrub before it gets out any ingrown hair, so you can just get everything out and it'll be nice and smooth. I'm telling you, you'll have the smoothest legs ever. You'll want everybody to touch your legs. Like, touch my legs. I shaved them. And then after I get all of that rinsed off, it's time to go back to my hair and rinse out the conditioner. So I'm just going to go ahead and let my hair out, and then we're just going to rinse out the conditioner. My hair, it just looks so hydrated. Whenever I used to rinse out conditioner, my hair would just look dry. But look at it. All of it's out, and it just looks so shiny. Ugh, I love. Look at that. Another thing that I like to do, I keep this big old jar of coconut oil in my shower. Sometimes it's melted, sometimes it's not, depends on how hot it is outside. But I like to just get the coconut oil, rub it together and let it melt, and I slab it all over my whole body. I'm telling you, this will keep your skin so moisturized for like days. Like, you won't even need to put on lotion because this will just keep you moisturized for some days. And I need that. But I mean, still put on lotion, but I'm just saying, you'll be so soft, so smooth. Now that I'm out of the shower, I got my microfiber towel on to get any of my extra excess water out. And then I'm gonna go ahead and do a little self-care scalp massage. So these are my curls right now. I'm gonna get a hair oil, and then I'm just gonna put some on my hands, and then we're gonna go ahead and massage this on the scalp. I love doing scalp massages. Come on. Who doesn't love a scalp massage? So I go ahead and do this about 5 to 10 minutes. I use my fingers for about half of the time. I make sure to get all over, get the front, get the back, get all of it. And then for the next 5 minutes, I like to get this vibrating scalp massager. You just push the button and then it vibrates, and then it's just like little vibrating fingertips, and then you just scratch it through your head. I'm telling you, this is the best thing ever. I like these scalp massages because it just feels so good, and it stimulates your hair growth and stimulates blood circulation, so your hair will be popping. And I've been trying to grow my hair out, you know. I know I just cut it, but your girl's still trying to grow it out, and she's flourishing. Now that my scalp is nice and massaged, I'm gonna go ahead and put in leave-in conditioner. This keeps my hair nice and moisturized, you know, make sure all the moisture just stays locked in there and doesn't dry up. I really like this one because it's very lightweight, but it moisturizes your hair so good. It's not too heavy and doesn't weigh down my hair or anything, but it definitely gets through all of my hair and moisturizes it. And then I go ahead and brush it with a brush to make sure I get the product all throughout, because we don't want no dry back parts, you know what I'm saying. But my hair now is nice and moisturized, and I'm gonna go ahead and do a mini little hairstyle. I like to just put my hair in 2 braids whenever I'm not doing anything, and I like know I want to do my hair maybe the next day, but I want to keep it detangled, so I'm just gonna do 2 little French braids. Now next up, it is time to do some other little self-care. I love these teeth whitening strips. Teeth whitening strips just keep my teeth so nice and white. I know I look crazy right now, but these bomb. And while that's in, I'm gonna go ahead and steam my face. I like to steam my face to get all the gunk out and open my pores, because we're about to do a little mask and we're gonna get everything out. So now I'm gonna get a nose strip. I love these things, and I love the black ones because you can see everything that comes out even better. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that on, and then I'm gonna get a detoxing mask, and we're gonna put that all over my face, and we're about to just have some glowing detoxed skin after this. After I leave that on for a while, I'm gonna wash it off and look at my skin. You'll see it, it's just so nice and glowy. Now I'm going to put some vitamin C serum all over my face and then moisturize it, and then we're going to be good to go for the skin. The skin is good. Now next, I like to do my eyebrows. You know, sometimes I be leaving these things hanging for months and months, but my eyebrow hairs don't grow crazy, but they just get like random long ones underneath. So I'm just going to go ahead and clean those babies up and, you know, get that together. You see how thick these hairs are over here? Pulling my whole face skin off. But anyway, got that cleaned up, and then I'm just gonna put on a lip mask. I love lip masks because you could just keep it on like a lip gloss, but it's moisturizing your lips all day. Okie dokie, so here we go. I am so refreshed. I feel so much better now. Like, honestly, I feel like doing some work now, because when I don't feel good, like I haven't done anything to myself for a while, I get a little lazy. So now I'm like refreshed, and I feel like I'm ready to work and go do tons of things right now. So I'm like, oh, what do I want to do now? What do I want to do? Should I clean? I don't know, but I feel good now and nice and refreshed. My hair needed that. My face needed that. My body is so smooth, soft, and moisturized. We are not neglecting anything on this body anymore, at least. You know, self-cares are very necessary. I feel like everybody should do a self-care day once a week at the least, the minimum once a week. I feel like it'll just make your days so much better and your week so much more productive. I don't know. My hair feels good. Thank you to Nexus again for sponsoring today's video. I absolutely love those hair products. They always revive my curls and keep them so nice and hydrated and moisturized. If you haven't tried those products, I will link them in the description box below. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If there's any more videos you'd like to see, go ahead and comment them in the description box below, because your girl is motivated now to film, to do work. So just let me know. I'm in the working mode. But anyway, hope you guys enjoy it, and I'll see you guys in my next upload. Bye.